Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Ashley, calling Sarah, peace be upon you, how are you? Sarah, peace be upon you, I am fine, thank you. And you? Ashley, I'm fine too, thank God. How was your day? Sarah, my day was a little busy, but overall good. Do you have any news? Ashley, I don't have much news, but I faced some challenges at work this week. I've been working hard to finish some postponed projects. Sarah, I believe that you will overcome challenges. You are always strong and persistent. Do you have plans for the weekend? Ashley, thank you for your support. Yes, I have some plans. Tomorrow I'm going out with my girlfriends for lunch, and then I'll try to relax at home and read a new book. Sarah, looks like you have a fun weekend coming up. I wish you a wonderful time with your friends and enjoy reading. I'm planning a Sunday outing myself. Ashley, thank you, and I also hope you have a nice day outing. Don't forget to get a good rest. Sarah, of course, I will. I will now leave you to prepare for the beautiful weekend. Contact me if you have any news or if you need anything. Ashley, thanks, I'll do that. I wish you a happy day. Sarah, you too, bye.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.